If you're getting Epic Games error code Is-0003, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that can get the Epic Games launcher working again. This issue is often caused by a corrupted game install, launcher cache problems, permission issues, or security software blocking the launcher from updating properly. The good news is that you can usually fix it without reinstalling everything from scratch. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games launcher and go to your library. Find the game that is showing the error, then click the three dots next to it. From the menu, choose Manage, and then click Verify. This will scan the game files and repair anything that is missing or damaged. In many cases, this alone can solve the Is-0003 error, so let the verification process finish completely before moving on. If the problem is still there, the next step is to close the launcher fully. Do not just click the X button in the corner. Make sure it is completely closed from the system tray. Look near the clock on your taskbar, find the Epic Games icon, right-click it, and exit the launcher. This is important because some launcher processes can stay running in the background and prevent changes from taking effect. Now, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the run box. Type %local app data % and press Enter. This will open your local app data folder. Inside here, find the Epic Games launcher folder, then open Saved and look for the Webcache folder. Delete the Webcache folder completely. This clears out old launcher data that can sometimes cause sign-in, loading, or update errors like Is-0003. After deleting it, you can reopen the launcher and it will rebuild those files automatically. Next, right-click the Epic Games launcher shortcut and select Run as administrator. Launching it with admin permissions can fix problems caused by restricted access or blocked updates. If Windows is preventing the launcher from writing to the correct folders, running it as administrator often solves that immediately. You should also make sure your Windows account has full read and write permissions for the installation folder. If the launcher or game is installed in a protected directory, Epic may not be able to modify the files it needs. You can check the folder permissions by right-clicking the install location, opening properties, and reviewing the security tab. Make sure your user account has the proper access. If you still see the error, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall just long enough to test the launcher. Sometimes security software blocks Epic Games from downloading updates or verifying files correctly. If turning it off makes the launcher work, then you'll know the security software is the cause. In that case, you can add Epic Games Launcher as an exception instead of leaving protection disabled. Another useful fix is changing the installation directory to a different folder or drive. If the current drive has permission issues, file corruption, or storage problems, moving the game to another location can bypass the error completely. This is especially helpful if the original install path is on a restricted drive or a folder with limited access. So to recap, the best fixes for Epic Games error code Is-0003 are verifying the game files, clearing the Webcache folder, running the launcher as administrator, checking folder permissions, testing your antivirus or firewall, and changing the install location if needed. Follow these steps in order, and there's a very good chance you'll get back into your game without any more frustration. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy fixes, gaming guides, and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.